Hello, welcome to the Landis Performance Channel, and this is the Badassiter. This hot rod's getting ready to leave the shop and head back down to Ravenswood Paint and Body in Dania Beach, Florida, to get the rest of the body panels put back on, and then it'll be cruising the highways. Shot of the engine bay. It's a 427 small block Chevy built by Fig Racing Engines. Twin 750 carbs, Edelbrock cross ram manifold. So underneath the car, starting from the back, we have 9-inch rear end, coilovers, Holley fuel pump, transmission cooler. There's the Holley fuel pump. The lines coming through the back of the car for AccuSump and fuel line return. AccuSump lines, e-brake cables. This is the transmission lines, the fuel feed and return. Exhaust cutouts and the ladder bar front mounts. Turbo 400 transmission. Hooker headers. Moroso oil pan on the small block Chevy. Drop axle. And from the front, you can see the front of the small block Chevy. Accessory drive. Steering box. Here from under the dash you can see the MSD box, AC, some of the wiring going across underneath the dash. And now from the driver's side, you see nice and clean Moon Eye gas pedal. From under the dash you can see the wiring, nice and clean. MSD box mount. On the passenger side, battery cable, coil, wiring and gauges. AN AC drains. Gauge cluster. All the instrumentation. Kilduff shifter. And of course the red metal flake steering wheel. We fitted this car with the AccuSump 3-quart for pre-lubing the engine before startup, and if in the rare occasion that the oil pickup comes out from the oil, the AccuSump will keep the engine pressurized. Alright, so in the trunk we have the gel battery and the custom fuel cell. So this thing can go on good long cruises with the 2 4-barrels on there. All about cruising. Beautiful car. So the owner came up with the name Badassiter by mixing the letters around from the ambassador. So moved some digits around and made the factory letters read Badassiter. It is a badass for sure. Okay, we'll fire it up. Feel that cold AC. Now we put these cool thruster exhaust tips on there, and with a flip of a switch, it really does loud exhaust. All right, so that's it for the 1966 American Motors Ambassador, known as Bad-Acitor. Next time we see it, it'll have the glass in it, all the sheet metal back on, and ready to rip up some streets.